everyone, happy to see you back with another Eid dessert. It's sheer khurma today. Heavenly tasted, must try Eid dessert. I hope you all like it. Watch the video till the end. So let's get started. First, heat the pan. Add a teaspoon of butter or ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I'm going to add some dry fruits. Here I have taken raisins, cashew nuts, pistachios and walnuts. Add them to the pan and roast for 2 minutes. Make sure you keep the flame on medium flame. And then goes in 2 pods of cardamom. After a few seconds, I'm going to add half a cup of vermicelli. Mix it well and roast this for about 2 minutes. Add more ghee or butter if needed. Keep mixing, make sure it doesn't catch up in the bottom. Once it's done, I'm going to add milk. Here I've taken 2 mugs of milk. And now keep stirring unless it will get burnt. So make sure keep the flame on medium and continuously stirring it. And then goes in the sugar. Here I have taken half a cup of sugar. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, which is milk made. And mix it well. And now you can see the consistency, it's getting thickened and the vermicellis are started to boil. In this stage I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Keep mixing. And that's it. After 5 minutes it will be ready. Turn off the stove and let it be cool. Then there you go. The yummy, tasty sheer khurma is ready. Serve it chilled. It's a must-try recipe. Definitely give a try on this recipe and give me your feedbacks through the comments. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with another sweet recipe for Eid. Till then, take care. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss any notification.